Hello, everyone. So, based on a lot of complaints about needing help on how with navigating the Black app, which is also the TikTok app, here is a quick video on how to do that. So, you go to your Play Store. First off, that's if you don't have the app. But if you have the app, it must be TikTok, not TikTok Lite. Okay, it must be TikTok, not TikTok Lite. So let's go to the App Store. You see that we have different types of TikTok. So you see TikTok, you see TikTok Lite. I think I need to update the app. So you are downloading the TikTok app itself, not TikTok Lite. All right. So while we wait for it to update, because I know there are new features. So the app has been updated, and here is the interface of your app. Okay, here's the interface of your app. See these icons below. These icons below: home, friends, the plus sign, inbox, and profile. In the profile is your own page. Okay, let's say for instance you're a newbie, you've not had all of these videos. Okay, now you see this place, you have thoughts. Thoughts is just a few text you can write. Okay, you can say, okay, God did it. So that's where it will be. God did it. All right. So you come back to your home. This plus sign is you want to add videos. You want to add video to your what's it called, to your story. Okay. No be juju. Okay. So it's your story must be active. You can post here on your timeline, you can post on your story. This your story must be active. Now, coming to your page, setting up your page and optimizing it so that when people come at a first glance, they already understand what you are into. Now, from the first video, the first day of the briefing, I mentioned it that the name of your TikTok account should explain what you are into, because the algorithm works with keywords. In fact, all platforms work with keywords. So if you're going to stand out on different platforms, you must be able to, use the right keywords. You must be able to use the right keywords. So we are into machines, and one of our core value is affordability, that we want to sell at very affordable prices. And the best way to say that is affordable sewing machines. All right. And then your username here, you click on edit. You click on edit, the name, affordable sewing machines. All right. And then the username will be your brand name, Somachi Bags and Machines. Okay. Why I use it, Somachi Bags and Machines, is because the page originally was set up for bags. All right. But right now, we are now talking about machines. So, and then the bio, what do you do? Bio explains, affordable industrial sewing machine, free delivery anywhere in Nigeria. That's why you see the flag. Then you call the phone number. All right. Very short and straightforward. That's basically what you can do for now, because your account is not up to 1,000. If it's up to 1,000, you can put a link. You can even add email. All right, and then um, this icon here is to go live. If you want to go live on your TikTok, yeah, you can go live. These are the live sections I I went on. Okay, and then this um this stuff here, review your shop log. These are reviews. Okay, these are testimony. This is called highlight. This is called highlight. So you can add the highlights that will come here are highlights from your story. So if you have always been posting on your story, it will show here for you to add it to your highlights. Okay, I can add this one, and then you can even change the cover. You can click on this cover and put another cover. Okay, you can put another cover to be there. Okay, so let's see how this one is done. Don't miss this. Don't miss this. Okay, and that will be that. All right, this is highlight. So when they come to your page, this is the first thing they will see. This is the first thing they will see. Now you see pinned messages. These pinned messages are testimonials. These are videos you must have put before. You can either pin a video that's performing very well, or you can put a testimonial video. These are testimonial videos from clients. This one at the middle is the one my mentor, the attestation my mentor gave about me. All right. So people, this will build more trust. This will build trust, from people faster about you. And then these are videos. Now this what's it called? These texts, they are called headlines. Okay, these are what explains your video. Let's say for instance, I put on a plus sign. I want to upload video, right? Different I'm going to show you different methods. All right. You want to post a video, but you don't have a video that you have shot. You can click on create. You can click on create that you don't have a head talking video. Okay. You don't have a head talking video and you want to post something. You can click on auto cut. Auto cut, you have the opportunity to, you know, select multiple what's it called? You have the opportunity to select multiple images. Okay? You can select multiple images. And this is it. You can select multiple images and then this one will give you automatically merge everything as
I'm unstoppable, won't dim my light tonight. Living my own way, everything feels bright. Reaching for stars, yeah, I'm owning my zone. Whole world's gonna see me when I fully wrong.
so. Now you see where I clicked on sound. All right, I clicked on sound, and that's you click there and it will show you other sounds. Okay, it will show you other sounds. Now these other sounds, you look at these sounds, you see this 192.3K post is showing the number of people that have used this sound. Okay, so I would advise that you use sounds that have been used by many people. This one is 452.2K. Okay, you can click it and listen. This one is 1.0 M post, meaning that more than 1 million people have used the sound. So when you use such trendy sound, it sends signal to the algorithm that you want to go viral. These are called viral sounds. Okay, so when you use it, TikTok will now suggest your video to more people who may want to use that video, and TikTok will also push it to the FYP page. It will push it to other people's FYP. Okay, so this is where you pick any sound, and when you pick it, you click on volume. You can increase it, and if you are not using sound, you want to use your head talking video, you can click on original. All right, so that's that. So this is about sound. You click here to add sound, and then here this all these icons are for editing the videos to either add text or, so this is for text. You click the AA and then you say okay. the the best stress free table top machine available, and then you can now say okay, this text you can bold it. There are different types of different ways to highlighting this your text. So this A that is in a box, you click it, it will give it another shade with a black. You can click it and it's like this. You can click it and it's like this. You click it, it goes back. Okay, and then you can change the color, but I advise you always use white with maybe black or this one, so that it will pop up. And when you do that, make sure it is not obstructing vital information, and make sure what you're putting is not so much. When you put what you want, the headline must be attention grabbing, and then you can now put your phone number or your email. That's the call to action. You put your phone number, all right, and then you click on next. You click on next, and then you give a brief caption about the video. Then you add your hashtag. Hashtag must be 5. You see the dominance visibility challenge, this is already recorded on my, because these are hashtags I use constantly. Okay, it's only 5. Okay, so I can say hash bag maker in Nigeria, bag maker of TikTok, bag makers of TikTok. See, bag makers of TikTok is have been used by more people. Okay, you can say bag makers of TikTok is coming twice. So I can say in Lagos, bag makers in Lagos. Okay, so when somebody uses similar hashtag, TikTok will suggest it, or when somebody is looking for bag maker in Lagos, my post will pop up. Okay, so if you put edit cover, you are changing this picture here to, maybe you want another one from your gallery. This is the picture that will show here. Now if this picture is showing here, this caption you put here will not show. So you can use another caption here. This one that has been suggested by TikTok, you can use it, enter another text, this same text, and add it here. Because when you add this text outside here, this is the one when they come to your page, This one that you want to add now is the one they will see because you have changed the cover photo. But if you didn't change the cover photo, it will remain like this. When you post this one, and because I don't want to post this, when you post this, and let me add it to draft. When you post this, okay, and come back to your page, it will show like these ones. It will show like these ones on my page. All right. So just go ahead and try. This is about, you know, navigating and trying different things. Now, this is inbox. This is where you get messages, inbox. People will send you message and activity. What's going on your page? Those who reacted to your page, those who replied to your comments, and all of that. All right. And then this is your profile. If you have ever liked any video before, this is the indication. This is those who are following me. These are those who I'm following. And then these are maybe those you have reacted on their videos. You may want to use the sound. It will show here. And then you can click on it to use the same sound they have used. To use the same sound they have used, you click on this sound that has an asterisk, an X sign. You click on it, and then it will take you to the sound. Okay, and it will say use sound, and then you can use the sound, add, then you add your text. Okay, if you want to increase the quality of the video, you click on this shape, that is this landscape. You click on it, and then you can edit. You can adjust the brightness to the way you want. That's if you know a bit about editing. You can do that. You can do that with this app, and do all of those editing and all of that. And then overlay. Overlay is adding another picture. Okay, you want to add a picture, or you want to add a video, another one that will cover it. That's overlay. Okay, maybe you want to explain something else. So this is using two videos. Okay, this is the main video. Maybe this is your head talking video, and you want to show something that you are referring to. You can add it here and minimize it. Maybe put off the sound of this one. You can put off the sound of this one, and see the sound that is the sound that is talking is one of the overlay. So you can put off the sound of the overlay. All right, you can put off the sound of the overlay, and it's just something that you can just be trying and I've said so many things in this video. So that's just to explain the video, in different the different what's it called, different functions of the how to navigate the app generally. So try it out, and I don't want this same complain, I need help and all of that. So here